Today we have to discuss on the Kelvin cycle or dark reaction of photosynthesis. मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सायक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन अँड नॉन सायक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन याचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. Cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation is the process of light reaction of photosynthesis that is known as phosphorylation, synthesis of ATP and NADPH2. After formation of ATP and NADPH2, the next process of photosynthesis, dark reaction, may occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. So the site of dark reaction of photosynthesis is chloroplast. Chloroplast चं स्ट्रक्चर आपण बघितलेलं आहे. स्ट्रोमा आणि ग्रॅना हे मेन पार्ट आहे त्याच्यामधले. लाइट रिएक्शन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस occur in the grana and dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. The dark reaction of photosynthesis is also known as Blackman's reaction because first studied by Blackman. Later on, carbon pathway traced out by using radioactive substance during the photosynthesis in the chlorella-like algae, studied by Dr. Melvin Kelvin. So the reaction is also known as Kelvin's reaction of photosynthesis. In the Kelvin's reaction, in the Kelvin reaction of photosynthesis, first stable compound is 3-carbon compound. Hence, the reaction is also known as C3 pathway or C3 reaction or C3 cycle. This Kelvin cycle or C3 pathway studied by Dr. Melvin Kelvin and Benson and traced out the pathway of the carbon in the stroma of the chloroplast during the dark reaction of photosynthesis. In 1954, as he performed experiment on the dark reaction of photosynthesis, and Dr. Kelvin and Benson awarded Nobel Prize in 1961. So for this work, as Nobel Prize awarded to the Dr. Melvin Kelvin and his co-worker Benson. The reaction may also known as Kelvin-Benson reaction. How the Kelvin cycle may take place in the stroma of the chloroplast, that we have to study. The component required for the dark reaction of photosynthesis or Kelvin cycle, first component, that is carbon dioxide. Second component are ATP and NADPH2. NADPH2. Third component, number of enzymes required for the fixation of carbon dioxide in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. the number of steps are involved in the Kelvin cycle. These steps are we have to study in detail. First step of the Kelvin cycle is carboxylation. First step of the Kelvin cycle is carboxylation. So here what happened? During carboxylation, in the stroma of the chloroplast, carbon dioxide is already present. As in the stroma, carbon dioxide present, which may react with the 5 carbon compound, 1,5-RUBP. 1,5-RUBP. It is 5 carbon compound. Okay. It is 5 carbon compound RUBP, ribulose biphosphate. Why it is known as biphosphate? Because first to the first carbon, one of the phosphate group is attached. To the fifth carbon, another phosphate group is attached. So 2 phosphate group are attached to the ribulose. So 5 carbon compound attached 2 phosphate group to the first carbon, phosphate group is attached, and to the fifth carbon, phosphate group is attached. So it is known as ribulose biphosphate, and it is 5 carbon compound. It is already present in the stroma of the chloroplast. Here what happened? The carbon dioxide react with the RUBP. Carbon dioxide react with the RUBP and form 6 carbon compound which is unstable. Unknown 6 carbon compound. Carbon unstable 6 carbon compound. Unstable 6 carbon compound. Unstable compound. 6 carbon compound is formed in the stroma of the chloroplast in the presence of RUBP carboxylase enzyme. In the presence of RUBP carboxylase enzyme. Carboxylase enzyme. This RUBP carboxylase enzyme, RUBP carboxylase enzyme, RUBP carboxylase enzyme is also known as Rubisco. And this enzyme is an active protein developed in the nature on the earth, which is abundantly found, help in the connecting link between abiotic component and biotic component. सगळ्यात मोठ्या प्रमाणात पृथ्वीवरती प्रोटीन तयार झालेला असेल तर ते कोणतं असेल? रुबिस्को RUBP कार्बोक्सिलेज एन्झाईम. या एन्झाईम मुळेच पृथ्वीवरती सजीव सृष्टी निर्माण झालेली आहे. आणि अजैविक घटक आणि जैविक घटक या दोघांचं कोऑर्डिनेशन चालत आलेलं आहे. सो abundantly found protein on the earth is Rubisco or RUBP carboxylase enzyme. So RUBP carboxylase enzyme, RUBP carboxylase enzyme help in the reaction between the carbon dioxide and 5 carbon compound ribulose biphosphate and form unstable 6 carbon compound. This unstable 6 carbon compound undergo splitting into 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid, and this is the 3 carbon compound. 3 carbon compound in which what happened? Phosphate group is attached to the 3rd carbon of the glyceric acid. So it is known as 3-phosphoglyceric acid. तिसऱ्या कार्बनला फॉस्फेट ग्रुप अटॅच झालेला आहे, म्हणून या कंपाऊंडला नाव दिले गेलेलं आहे फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ऍसिड. ग्लिसरिक ऍसिडच्या तिसऱ्या कार्बनला फॉस्फेट ग्रुप अटॅच झाल्यामुळे नाव काय दिलं? 3-फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ऍसिड. ग्लिसरिक ऍसिड 3 नाही आहे, तिसऱ्या कार्बनला फॉस्फेट ग्रुप अटॅच झालेला असल्यामुळे 3-फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ऍसिड असं नाव दिलं गेलेलं आहे. या ठिकाणी 2च मॉलिक्यूल 3-फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक ऍसिड तयार झालेले आहेत. when one carbon dioxide react with the RuBP, if we consider here 6 carbon dioxide enter or react with the 6 molecule of RuBP carboxylase enzyme, then here 12 molecules of 3PGA are formed. इथे बघा 12 तयार झालेले आहेत. 3PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. This phosphoglyceric acid undergo interaction with the ATP, and phosphorylation process takes place to form a compound 1,3-phosphoglyceric acid. 1,3-phosphoglyceric acid or 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. This is the 3 carbon compound. So here how many ATP molecules are utilized? या ठिकाणी 12 आहेत, म्हणून इथे किती एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल वापरले जातील? 12 एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल वापरले जातील. आणि याच ठिकाणी किती तयार होतील एडीपी? 12 एडीपी तयार होतील. सो हियर व्हाट हॅपन? फर्स्ट phosphorylation process takes place in the dark reaction after formation of 3 carbon compound. First stable compound is formed, so it is known as C3 cycle. And after formation of C3 compound, 3 carbon compound, the ATP utilization takes place, that is known as phosphorylation process. Now after formation of 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid, utilization of NADPH2 takes place. Utilization of NADPH2 takes place. NADPH2 utilized. NADPH2 which are already produced in the light reaction of photosynthesis. NADPH2 utilized, and 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid converted into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. 3 carbon compound aldehyde molecules are produced. 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde by the utilization of NADH2. So here NADH2 converted into NADP. NADPH2 converted into NADP. How many phosphoglyceric acid molecules are involved. Here 12 phosphoglyceric acid. So here how many NADPH2 molecules are utilized? 12. जेवढे असतील तेवढे वापरले गेलेले आहे. 12 NADPH2 molecules are utilized. Now here what happened? 12 PgAl molecules are formed. 12 PgAl, 12 molecules. So here what happened? When the 6 carbon compound react with the ribulose biphosphate, form 12 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde. इथं सुद्धा तिसऱ्या कार्बनला अटॅच झालेला आहे फॉस्फेट ग्रुप, म्हणून इथं 3 हा लावलेला आहे, इथं सफिक्स 3 लावलेला आहे. सो 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde molecules are formed. So up to this process what happened? इथून इथपर्यंत कोणती रिएक्शन झाली? इथून इथपर्यंत या रिएक्शन पर्यंत कोणती रिएक्शन झाली? इथून इथपर्यंत हे कार्बोक्सिलेशन. Here कार्बोक्सिलेशन प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस. आणि इथून इथपर्यंत या ठिकाणाहून अशा प्रकारची रिएक्शन इथपर्यंत झालेली आहे. या रिएक्शनला काय म्हणतो आपण? रिडक्शन, phosphorylation and reduction. So here first reaction takes place and second reaction is reduction. Up to reduction process 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde molecules are produced in the stroma of the chloroplast. And what happened here? Only 2 molecules are involved in the formation of the phosphoglyceraldehyde. One of the phosphoglyceraldehyde converted into DHAP, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. DHAP, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. In the presence of isomerase enzyme, triose phosphate isomerase enzyme involved in the conversion of aldehyde into acetone. Phosphoglyceraldehyde into acetone. It is also 3 carbon compound. And here what happened? DHAP molecule had produced another one of the PgAl, 3 PgAl, 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde. It is also 3 carbon compound. 1 PgAl and 1 DHAP undergo reaction and form 6 carbon compound. 1,6 fructose diphosphate. 1,6 fructose diphosphate molecule is formed. It is 6 carbon compound. So here what happened? Synthesis of glucose takes place in this process. Now one of the phosphate group released and form fructose 6 phosphate. Fructose 6 phosphate. It is 6 carbon compound. By releasing phosphate group, one of the phosphate group is released and form fructose 6 phosphate. Fructose 6 phosphate undergo isomerization. Isomerization process may take place and form glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose 6 phosphate. And glucose 6 phosphate undergo dephosphorylation, form finally glucose molecule. So this process from PGAL to glucose, the process is known as synthesis process, reduction process, and this process is known as synthesis process. Up to this synthesis process, synthesis of glucose. This is third process of the Kelvin cycle. Now here remaining 10 PGAL molecules utilized for the regeneration of RUBP. Regeneration of RUBP. First, ribulose monophosphate formation takes place. Ribulose monophosphate molecules formation takes place. Ribulose monophosphate. It is also 5 carbon compound. Ribulose monophosphate. And this ribulose monophosphate utilizes ATP. How many RUBP molecules produced? 6. So here monophosphate converted into diphosphate by utilization of 6 ATP, and 6 ADP may remove during the conversion of RUMP into RUBP. During this process, what happened here? The pseudoheptulose 7 carbon compound, erythrose 4 carbon compound, and finally by recycling the carbon compound, RUMP, ribulose monophosphate form. 6 ribulose monophosphate form, which may involve in the conversion of RUBP, 1,5-RUBP. Here 5 carbon compound, at 5 carbon compound, phosphate group is attached. So here 6 molecule of RUMP converted 6 molecule of RUMP converted into RUBP by the utilization of 6 ATP. So whole process occur in the stroma of the chloroplast. This reaction is known as regeneration. Regeneration of RUBP. So 4 steps are involved in the Kelvin cycle, and finally the glucose molecule is produced in the stroma in the synthesis process, and whole process occur in the stroma. In the stroma, that reaction of photosynthesis takes place and produces a glucose molecule, and carbon pathway traced out by Melvin Kelvin. So it is known as Kelvin cycle. Here, after carboxylation, reduction process takes place, and this reduction process is also known as glycolytic reversal. Glycolytic reversal process, or reverse of glycolysis process. Reverse of glycolysis process, ग्लायकोलिटिक रिव्हर्सल प्रोसेस असं म्हटलं जातं. कारण हे जर आपण अशाच पद्धतीचं ग्लायकोलिसिस जर स्टडी केली तर ग्लायकोलिसिसच्या रिव्हर्स प्रोसेस हे आपल्याला बघायला मिळते. रेस्पिरेशन मध्ये ग्लायकोलिसिस आपण जेव्हा स्टडी करतो त्यावेळेस ते तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल ग्लायकोलिटिक रिव्हर्सल का म्हणायचं त्या ठिकाणी. सो इन द केल्विन सायकल फर्स्ट स्टेबल कंपाउंड is 3 carbon compound, hence it is known as C3 pathway, and carbon pathway stressed out by Dr. Melvin Kelvin, so it is known as Kelvin cycle, and it is occur in the stroma by following 4 steps: first carboxylation, reduction, synthesis, and regeneration of RUBP. अशा प्रकारची केल्विन सायकल हे स्ट्रोमामध्ये होते. ही डार्क रिएक्शन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. दिस Kelvin cycle occur only in the C3 plant, mostly in the dicot plant. Those plants possess common anatomy like common anatomy of leaf. ज्या पानांमध्ये कॉमन अनाटॉमी असते, जसे की पॅलिसेड मिसोफिल, स्पॉन्जी मिसोफिल, वास्क्युलर बंडल्स, क्लोरोप्लास्ट एकच प्रकारचा असेल, अशा प्रकारच्या वनस्पतीमध्ये 3 कार्बन कंपाऊंड फर्स्ट स्टेबल कंपाऊंड तयार होतो, त्याला C3 सायकल म्हणतो. ज्या वनस्पतीमध्ये C3 सायकल घडून येते त्याला C3 प्लांट असं म्हटलं जातं. वी हॅव टू स्टडी anatomy of C3 plant, anatomy of leaf of C3 plant in the next video. Then we will understand in detail to study or to prepare the NEET examination. हे व्हिडिओ पहा आणि याच्याबद्दल अभ्यास करा. केल्विन सायकल हे कशा पद्धतीने होते या 4 स्टेप मध्ये स्टडी करावं लागेल आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन सोडवता येतील. आणि हे डायग्राम हे बोर्डासाठी विचारलं जातं. 3 मार्कासाठी, 2 मार्कासाठी, 4 मार्कासाठी याच्यावरती प्रश्न विचारला जातो. थँक्यू.